Hey guys, in this video we are going to checking out top 5 best electric bike review in the market. I made this list on my personal opinion and our research. I have a list of them based on their quality, feature, durability, price, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, be sure to take the link in the description down below. Also make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay update latest technology review. So let's get started. Number 5. Aliexpress Q5 electric bike. This bike is built for serious performance 2000-watt motor with a top speed that can go beyond 50 km per hour and in some specs even up to 57 km per hour. That means it's not just for casual commuting, it's also made for riders who want strong power for hills, rough roads, and off-road adventures. The Aliexpress Q5 comes with a 48-volt 20 Ah lithium battery, which gives it impressive riding range. In pure electric mode, you can expect around 50 to 60 kilometers, and with pedal assist, the range can stretch up to 120 to 150 kilometers, depending on conditions and riding style. The bike uses 27.5-inch all-terrain tires, a front shock absorber, and a comfort saddle, which should help a lot on uneven roads and trails. It also includes hydraulic disc brakes with ABS electronic braking, giving you stronger and safer stopping power. You get ambient lighting, LED lights, an HD LCD display, twist throttle, and a 7-speed Shimano gear system, so the bike feels more premium and versatile for different riding situations. Overall, the Aliexpress Q5 looks like a high-powered electric bike for people who want something stylish, fast, and capable on both city streets and mountain-style terrain. Number 4. QNUT Victor 3.0 electric bike. This bike comes with a 1000-watt peak brushless rear-drive motor, giving you strong power for climbing hills, riding trails, and handling rougher terrain with confidence. It can reach up to 20 miles per hour in throttle mode, which makes it a solid option for both commuting and adventure rides. The Victor 3.0 is powered by a 36-volt 10.4 Ah removable lithium-ion battery, which offers convenient charging and a claimed range of up to 40 miles in pedal assist mode. Since the battery is removable, you can charge it at home or at work without bringing the entire bike inside. This e-bike features a 21-speed gear system, giving you more flexibility on different roads, climbs, and trail conditions. It also includes a front suspension fork, which helps absorb shocks and makes the ride smoother and more comfortable. The bike comes with front and rear mechanical dual disc brakes for reliable stopping power, plus an integrated LED headlight, rear reflector, and bell for added visibility and awareness. You also get a smart LCD display that shows speed, battery level, mileage, and assist mode in real time, so everything you need is right in front of you while riding. Overall, the QNUT Victor 3.0 looks like a strong choice for riders who want an affordable electric mountain bike with solid power, useful range, and features that work for both city roads and light off-road riding. Number 3. Aliexpress F1L Foldable electric bicycle. This bike comes with a 500-watt peak motor, which gives it enough power for city commuting, short trips, and light uphill riding. It can reach a top speed of around 15.5 miles per hour, making it a solid option for everyday urban travel. One of the biggest highlights is the 48-volt 7.5 Ah removable battery. It can deliver around 30 to 40 miles of range, depending on riding conditions and assist level. Charging time is also convenient, with a full charge taking about 3 to 5 hours. Since this is a 14-inch foldable electric bike, portability is a major advantage. You can fold it down in seconds and store it in a small apartment corner, office space, or the trunk of a car. That makes it especially useful for commuters, students, or anyone with limited storage space. The F1L features triple suspension, which helps smooth out bumps and rough roads. The compact 14-inch wheels are built for city use, shopping trips, campus riding, and short-distance travel. The bike also has a carbon steel frame, supports up to 265 pounds, and is designed for riders roughly 5'4" to 6'5". So despite its compact size, it still looks sturdy and practical. Overall, the Aliexpress F1L looks like a great choice for riders who want a small, foldable, easy-to-store e-bike with decent range, solid comfort, and simple everyday usability. Number 2. Erlife E26E electric bike. This bike comes with a 750-watt peak motor, giving you smooth acceleration and enough power for city streets, daily commutes, and even light trail riding. It also delivers up to 80 Nm of torque, so hills and quick starts should feel much easier. One of the biggest highlights is the 48-volt 10.4 ampere-hours removable battery. You can get up to 80 miles in pedal assist mode, which is impressive for commuting, errands, or weekend rides, and since the battery is removable, charging is much more convenient whether you're at home or at work. The bike rides on 26-inch by 2-inch tires, which should offer a stable and comfortable road feel. You also get front fork suspension, helping to smooth out bumps and rough pavement for control. It includes a 7-speed gear system, so you can shift easily depending on terrain and riding style. The E26E includes an LCD display, front lights, a rear reflector, rear rack, and fenders, making it ready for commuting right out of the box. Overall, the Erlife E26E looks like a solid commuter e-bike with strong motor power, long battery range, and practical daily use features. If you want an e-bike for city riding with comfort and convenience, this one is definitely worth a look. Number 1. Aliexpress T5D Folding Electric Bike. The first thing that stands out is its folding design with a 14-inch frame and wheels. This bike is much more compact than a traditional e-bike, which makes it easier to store at home, in the office, or even in a car trunk. The T5D comes with a 500-watt brushless motor, which should provide solid power for daily commuting and short urban trips. It also features 3-level pedal assist, so you can choose how much help you want while riding. That's great for saving battery or making your ride more comfortable. Powering the bike is a 48-volt 10.4 ampere-hours lithium battery, according to the specs. It offers a practical riding range for everyday use, and full charging takes around 3 to 5 hours, which is pretty convenient. This bike includes front and rear double-disc brakes, a rear brake warning light, and a 6-watt LED headlight for night riding. It also has a front spring suspension, which should help absorb bumps and make the ride smoother. The frame is made from carbon steel, so it should feel sturdy, and the bike is built for 2-seat capacity, which adds a bit of versatility. Overall, the Aliexpress T5D looks like a good option for anyone looking for a small, foldable, and feature-packed electric bike for commuting or casual rides. It's compact, stylish, and includes useful features for both comfort and safety.